what's up? It's Mama Ty, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, it's been a lot going on. If y'all see grease on my shirt, yeah, you see grease on my shirt. Deal with it. I'm trying to put this in the camera properly. It's been a lot going on, y'all, with our family and everything, so I haven't been here, but I'm back. I'm going to do a quick video. I'm probably going to give y'all a little bit of tea, a little bit, and then eat and whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick... Let me put my disclaimer out there, guys, because y'all know, all of my followers know, that I cannot stand Chinese food. I hate Chinese food with a passion. I don't eat Chinese food. But everybody's been doing these videos, these mukbangs, with the sweet and sour sauce and the egg roll and the crab rangoon, whatever that is, and these chicken wings. So I'm about to try it. I don't know how much I'm gonna like it. Pray for me, because again, I don't eat Chinese food, but I'm gonna try it. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick thumbnail real quick. I don't know how that look, y'all. Poo fix it. Alright, y'all, so I got 20 wings. I got 2 shrimp rolls, and I got the crab things I was telling you about. Yes, it is kind of free promo, I guess, but I don't know. Hopefully Ciroc can give me a check. But anyway, I got some watermelon Ciroc in my cup over here that I've been sipping on. To drink, I have a bottle of water because I need my water. I've been on this water and cranberry juice type of situation. I got my honey. Let me see what you guys can see. I got my honey and my hot sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and start eating this food, y'all, because I'm hungry. Like I said, y'all better pray for me, because I don't really know. Just pray for me. That's it. Alright, let's try this shrimp roll. It is really hot, guys, because I did put it in the air fryer. When it came, I put it in the air fryer, because y'all know me, I have to have hot. Oh, y'all can see the steam. I don't know, yeah, you can see the steam, y'all. Y'all like this? I don't know if I like this, y'all. Woo, hot. So, I see a lot of people eat this thing. I don't know. What's that stuff in there, y'all? What is that? Woo! It's hot. I don't think I like that stuff in the middle. I don't think so. I don't like the stuff in the middle. What? So y'all, yeah, a lot's been going on in our family. But by the grace of God, we're here. We're blessed. We are safe. You know, we are dealing with some health issues, especially with the matriarch of our family. So yeah, Sorry, y'all. If y'all can just pray, continuously pray for our family. We need it. All our families need it, right? Your family as well. You know, we pray for all our followers every single day. You know, so it's not just our family. You know what I'm saying? But we're asking for special prayers for our family because of what we're dealing with right now. I'm still with my father as well. So yeah. Can y'all see that? I'll put some hot sauce on it. So I'm just asking you for all your prayer. So it may seem like, you know, we've been dealing with a lot this last 2 years or whatever, year and a half. Already, because we have, you know, who hasn't, right? Oh, I spilled the hot sauce on the floor, guys. What family hasn't, you know? But this too shall pass. We have a strong faith. We believe in an almighty, powerful God, and it's gonna be all right. So yeah. So I have literally been on the road like all the time, traveling on a plane, in the car, train, back and forth from Virginia to New York. So literally every single week. So it's a lot going on. So yeah. Hey guys, sorry, we lost space, so we had to get it together. Oh yeah, I even forgot where I was at, but pretty much I was basically saying pray for our family. And we're praying for your family. Johnny bring me my sauce. Say hi, guys.
Hey guys.
He didn't want to do the video with me, y'all. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, yes, if everybody's wondering, yes, Jaheim is working. On some bigger, on some bigger things. Between him, my grandma, there's a lot going on. But it's okay. I just want to know how you guys are doing. You know. Ooh, that was hot. I gotta take the stuff out the middle. I don't like that. I gotta take the stuff out the middle. I don't like that. Sorry, y'all. That might be a better thumbnail. I don't really like that though. I don't know how people can eat that. They can keep that. Y'all, have y'all tried B Love new sauce, the garlic butter sauce? I purchased it a few weeks ago.
That's all, folks.